Should you use your horn during the driving test in Nevada? Generally, no. You should not use your horn during the driving test unless absolutely necessary for safety. Key guidelines. Horn use is limited to safety or emergency situations. Use it only to prevent a collision or to alert another driver or pedestrian who may not see you. Examples of acceptable horn use. A vehicle is drifting into your lane and hasn't seen you. A pedestrian is stepping into your path while distracted. A brief courtesy beep at a green light is technically allowed, but during the driving test, it's safer to wait a few seconds and avoid honking unless the situation clearly calls for it. Do not honk out of frustration or to signal annoyance. This could be seen as unsafe behavior by the examiner. Conclusion. Only use the horn during your drive test if not using it would create an immediate safety risk. Improper use may result in a mark against your performance. What if someone honks at you during your drive test? Do you automatically fail? It would depend on the situation. If you are holding up traffic, you may lose points for a delayed start at a green light, for example, or for lack of awareness and focus. If someone honks because you are drifting into their lane, you could fail not because you were honked at, but for poor lane control. It is not an auto fail if you are honked at because the other driver is frustrated or impatient. Stay calm and stick to the rules. Being honked at for driving legally is not your fault and will not count against you.